And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. As you can see, we're in the computer room. This video is about this vise. I removed the base plate. Undid the 4 screws and set that aside. This is the 4-inch milling vise that Micromark sells. I wanted a 4-inch vise for my sherline mill. And when I got here, I said, oh, what did I do? Did I bite off more than my machine could chew? I was afraid. This thing weighed a ton. I was afraid I would put this vise, right? You just saw me holding it. I put this vise on the table of my mill and I wouldn't be able to crank it. No problem like that. I held the vise in one hand and my rotary table in the other, and the vise seemed like half again, or maybe even double the weight of the rotary table. I said, okay. I set up in the living room earlier. I set the vise on the table. No problem. No problem at all. What are you doing? No, you don't. So, I figured it out. You see these 4 screw holes. I'm going to push 10 to 32 clearance holes through here. Read my little 1/4-inch pockets for the sherline T-nuts. Then on the other side, I counter bore so the heads of the Allen screws don't interfere with come on, you. Don't, oh, come on. Don't interfere with this. Moving backwards and forwards. This thing is heavy. I'm pretty sure this main T-shaped base of the vise isn't hardened. It's got your basic surface grinder texture. Looks somewhere between 32 and 64 for surface finish for a grinder. And the sides of the main body, whatever, have definite end mill stripes from the machining. Now it's true the jaws seem to have indications of heat treating, but since the sliding jaw slides off and the fixed jaw is on here with 2 Allen screws, and that main body don't really need to be hard. I do believe I will be able to skate through on this one. If bad luck and it's hardened, I'll have to get carbide drill. But, you know, let's see. No, I can machine that. So, why was I afraid? Right? Well, you know, $100 for a vise for a milling machine. If you can't use it, I mean, you can say, "Oh well, I want a really good heavy vise for my bench for auxiliary outside, so I can bang on it." You know, I didn't have to. No, because I was planning if I couldn't use this main base of the vise, I was gonna get either black Delrin or some 6061 T6. I'd need a 2.5 by 1.5 piece of either. The widest part of this main base is just under 2.5, and the thickness is just under 1.5 inches, you know. So I know they hogged it out of the 2.5 by 1.5 piece. But if it came to it, I was seriously thinking of replicating the main base of this out of black Delrin. It's a shear line milling machine. Right? For most of the work I do, that would be good enough. But I would have done it in the 6061. Anyway, one of the things I'm ordering is a 2-inch boring head from Micromark with the 1/2-inch shaft. That way I could unscrew that, and my solution, my other contribution to ball and socket turning, besides the precision setting tool, and the other one I'm going to show you involves the boring head. I know everyone's doing that with a boring head, but there's a tiny little twist I've got. No one's done this. I gotta grab whatever uniqueness I can. And then I'm thinking, since I've got that 1-inch boring head from Shearline, I can modify it now so I can put it in the tailstock from that 0 Morse tailstock and use it for the ball-ended center for turning long, slender parts between centers. two ball centers, one at the headstock, one here. With a shear line, I can pivot that headstock a bit, so that helps, right? But at the tailstock end, I still need that set over. Gotcha. Is that ah? Yeah. So I'll be seeing you. Just giving you a heads up on things to come. I told you about getting the Proxon drill press thing. I'm gonna take apart, adapt it to my shear line mill, so I have a quill. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go for now. You stay safe. Good night in California.